In this video, I will show you how to add your M3U playlist on SmartOne IPTV app step by step. First, open your SmartOne IPTV app, go to Settings, User Account, then you will see your app info including the MAC address. Step 2. Open the Google browser on your mobile or laptop and type in SmartOne in the search bar. Click on SmartOne IPTV app website. Go to Upload Playlist. Now, go back to your TV and restart your app. Once it's ready, you'll see live TV, movies, and series categories. You're all set. Now sit back and enjoy smooth TV.
Stream Utopia, global entertainment in your hands. Watch anywhere, anytime with multi-device streaming. Plan starting at $6.12 per month with 90 days full refund. Use code NEWCOMER for 15% off. Worldwide access. Highlighted with quick globe animation. Subscribe now. StreamUtopia.com.